Hi everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. I have a tutorial for you today, and this not only applies to the 2022 GMC Yukon, but also the Chevrolet Suburbans and the Chevrolet Tahoes. But let's say that you came back here, and obviously there's a lot of different ways to open this rear door, but if you used the hands-free function, and instead of the door opening as it's doing right there, let's say it did not open. The very first thing you need to do is this. Let's hop into the driver's seat, and I'm going to show you what most likely is going to be the problem. It's going to be related to this button right here and this knob that you turn. So here's the thing. Right now it's set to full. You can also set it to 3/4, so that's going to determine how far that rear door opens, or it can be set to off. Most likely, if you cannot get that door to open, it's set to off. Hopefully that will help you out if you're having trouble opening the rear door on your Yukon, Suburban, or Tahoe.
To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.